Welcome back to our journey through the world's most astonishing statues. In this second part, we'll explore even more monumental works of art that just missed the top 10. Make sure to watch part 1 to see the tallest statues ever created, and stick around until the end for a special bonus statue that truly deserves a place in part 1. Now let's get started with our countdown from the tallest to the shortest statues in this category. 1. Peter the Great Statue, Moscow, Russia. Standing at a towering 322 feet, 98 meters, the Peter the Great statue in Moscow, Russia, commemorates the 300th anniversary of the Russian Navy, founded by Peter the Great. Completed in 1997, this statue, designed by Georgian-Russian sculptor Zurab Tsereteli, is a colossal tribute to one of Russia's most influential leaders. The statue depicts Peter the Great standing on a ship's prow, symbolizing his achievements in modernizing the Russian fleet. The intricate detailing and massive scale of this statue make it a fascinating subject for those interested in Russia's maritime history and architectural feats. Despite its controversial design and mixed public reception, it remains a prominent landmark along the Moskva River, representing Russia's naval legacy and Peter the Great's enduring influence. 2. The Mother of all Asia, Tower of Peace, Batangas, Philippines. Standing at 315 feet, 96 meters, the Mother of all Asia, Tower of Peace, is an awe-inspiring statue located in Batangas, Philippines. Completed in 2021, this statue is dedicated to the Virgin Mary, symbolizing peace and unity across Asia. It serves as a beacon of faith and hope, inviting pilgrims and tourists to its serene surroundings. The statue's interior houses a chapel, museum, and viewing deck, offering panoramic views of the lush Batangas landscape. This monumental statue stands as a testament to the Philippines' rich religious heritage and architectural prowess. Its imposing presence and the spiritual significance it holds for many visitors make it a unique and important landmark in the region. 3. Statue of Liberty, New York, USA. The Statue of Liberty in New York, USA, is one of the most iconic statues in the world. It stands 151 feet, 46 meters tall, with a total height, including its pedestal, of 305 feet, 93 meters. Gifted by France to the United States in 1886, this colossal copper statue symbolizes freedom and democracy. Located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a beacon of hope for millions of immigrants arriving in America. Visitors can tour the Pedestal Museum and climb to the crown for breathtaking views of the New York City skyline and the harbor. The statue's historical significance and the role it plays in American identity make it an enduring symbol of liberty and welcome. 4. Leshan Giant Buddha, Leshan, China. The Leshan Giant Buddha in Leshan, China, is a monumental statue carved into a cliff face. Standing at 233 feet, 71 meters, this statue of Maitreya, a bodhisattva traditionally represented in a seated posture, was completed in 803 AD during the Tang dynasty. Overlooking the confluence of 3 rivers, this statue is the tallest pre-modern statue in the world and has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1996. The site is a major pilgrimage destination and attracts visitors for its historical, cultural, and spiritual significance. The intricate carving and the serene expression of the Buddha make it an impressive example of ancient Chinese art and craftsmanship. 5. Rodina Matzah, the Motherland Calls, Kiev, Ukraine. At 203 feet, 62 meters, the Rodina Matzah statue, also known as the Motherland Calls, dominates the skyline of Kyiv, Ukraine. Completed in 1981, this stainless steel statue commemorates the Soviet Union's victory in the Great Patriotic War, World War II. The statue, part of the National Museum of the History of Ukraine in the Second World War, stands atop the museum building, bringing its total height to 335 feet, 102 meters. The figure's outstretched arms hold a sword and shield, symbolizing strength and resilience. Visitors can ascend to observation decks located in the statue's shield and sword, offering stunning views of Kyiv. The statue's imposing presence and historical significance make it a powerful symbol of Ukraine's wartime resilience and strength. 6. Guan Yu Statue, Jingzhou, China. The Guan Yu Statue in Jingzhou, China, stands 190 feet, 58 meters tall, and weighs over 1,320 tons. Completed in 2016, this bronze statue honors Guan Yu, a revered general from the Three Kingdoms period, who is considered a symbol of loyalty and righteousness in Chinese culture. The statue depicts Guan Yu wielding his iconic weapon, the green dragon crescent blade. The base of the statue houses a museum dedicated to Guan Yu's life and legacy, offering visitors a deep dive into the historical and cultural significance of this legendary figure. Grandeur and detailed craftsmanship highlight the enduring legacy of Guan Yu in Chinese folklore and history. 7. The African Renaissance Monument, Dakar, Senegal. The African Renaissance Monument in Dakar, Senegal, is a striking bronze statue standing 160 feet, 49 meters, tall. Completed in 2010, this statue symbolizes Africa's emergence from a history of slavery and colonialism. The monument depicts a man, woman, and child pointing toward the future, embodying progress and resilience. Positioned on top of a hill, the statue offers spectacular views of Dakar and the Atlantic Ocean. The site also includes a museum that chronicles Africa's history and the continent's journey toward Renaissance and growth. The monument's dynamic composition and powerful message of renewal and progress make it a significant cultural landmark in Africa. 8. Bronze statue of Sun Yat-sen, Zhongshan, China. The bronze statue of Sun Yat-sen in Zhongshan, China, stands 111 feet, 34 meters, tall. Erected in honor of the founding father of the Republic of China, this statue commemorates Sun Yat-sen's contributions to Chinese history and his role in overthrowing the Qing dynasty. The statue is located in Sun Yat-sen Memorial Park, a popular site for tourists and locals alike, featuring beautiful gardens and historical exhibits. The statue's design reflects Sun Yat-sen's vision for modern China and his enduring legacy as a revolutionary leader, making it a significant cultural and historical landmark. 9. Emperors Yan and Huang, Henan, China. The Emperors Yan and Huang statues in Henan, China, stand at an impressive 106 feet 32 meters each. These monumental stone sculptures, completed in 2007, depict the legendary founders of the Chinese nation, Emperors Yan and Huang. Situated on Mount Rushmore, these statues symbolize unity and the enduring legacy of Chinese civilization. The surrounding area is a cultural park that includes museums and exhibits highlighting the contributions of these ancient rulers to Chinese history and culture. Visitors can explore the park and learn about the rich heritage of China's earliest dynasties, making these statues important landmarks of historical and cultural education. 10. Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Standing 98 feet, 30 meters, tall, with its arms stretching 92 feet, 28 meters wide, Christ the Redeemer is an iconic statue located in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Completed in 1931, this colossal statue of Jesus Christ overlooks the city from the peak of the Corcovado mountain. The statue, made of reinforced concrete and soapstone, is a symbol of Christianity and a cultural icon of both Rio de Janeiro and Brazil. The site offers panoramic views of the city and has become one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world, drawing millions of visitors annually. Christ the Redeemer stands as a testament to faith, peace, and Brazilian cultural heritage. But before we conclude, let's unveil a special bonus statue that stands among the giants. 11. Statue of Belief, Nathdwara, India. The Statue of Belief, located in Nathdwara, India, stands 351 feet, 107 meters tall, making it one of the tallest statues in the world. Completed in 2021, this massive statue depicts Lord Shiva, a major deity in Hinduism known as the destroyer and transformer within the Trimurti. The statue showcases intricate detailing, including Shiva's matted hair, third eye, and the snake Vasuki coiled around his neck. Positioned on a hill, it offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The site includes various amenities for pilgrims and tourists, such as gardens, food courts, and a museum detailing the history and significance of Lord Shiva. The Statue of Belief is a monumental symbol of devotion and faith, drawing visitors from around the globe to experience its spiritual and architectural grandeur. That concludes part 2 of our exploration into the world's tallest statues. From India to Brazil, these monumental structures not only showcase incredible feats of engineering, but also embody profound cultural and spiritual significance. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us. Don't forget to subscribe to Wonderscape and make sure to like, comment, and share.